एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दिस वाज द मेथड ऑफ राइटिंग प्रोग्राम इन Python. This is the basic code. Right, you are able to see Python was created in 1989 by Guido von Rossum. Right, you are able to see the picture of that engineer or that software developer. Understand? He was developed Python. He was actually he at that time he was working for ABC. The company for which he was working, that company name was ABC. And the language which you are studying now, that is created with the help of ABC and Modula 3. राइट, एबीसी और मॉड्यूलर 3 को मिला के ये लैंग्वेज हमारा बना था. राइट, एंड इट इज ओपन सोर्स सॉफ्टवेयर, फ्री एंड ओपन सोर्स. फ्री एंड ओपन सोर्स मीन्स you can download it with the help of internet and you will not pay any single cost, and you can change it in its source code and you can create your own version and you can launch it in market. आप इसको इसके नए वर्जन को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और मार्केट में लॉन्च कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड फ्री एंड ओपन सोर्स. Understand? Now we will see the next page. What is next page? That is conditional statement. What is conditional? Wait a minute. Page number 65 we are going now. Let me find out 65. Here it is. That is, who uses Python in real world? Real world में Python कौन use करता है? So it is given in your book. Python is used by Intel, IBM, NASA, Pixar, JP Morgan, right, and a number of other major companies. पाइथन का यूज कौन करता है? तो पाइथन का यूज इंटेल करती है, आईबीएम, नासा, पिक्सर और एंड many more big companies are using Python. It is one of the four main language at Google along with C, Java and Go. Right, Python, C++, Java and Go. These are the four main languages. Right. Python is used heavily in academic research. Python का यूज एकेडमिक रिसर्च के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा किया जाता है. राइट, नाउ इट इज गिवन particularly in bioinformatics, biology, mathematics, right? Bioinformatics, biology और mathematics में इसका यूज बहुत ज़्यादा किया जाता है और रिसर्च पर्पज. It is standard introductory language for many university computer science program. Many universities are providing such program which is called computer science program. Means after your 12th you will join somewhere as a, you can say, बीटेक स्टूडेंट. तो आप लोग अगर कंप्यूटर साइंस लेते हैं तो आप लोग को पाइथन वहाँ पे भी नेसेसरी है. Right, like if you are studying over here properly, then it will help you out in case of BTech also. Understand? Or in your higher studies also, BTech or you can say BSc Computer Science, MSc Computer Science, MCA जो भी आप लोग करेंगे उसमें ही आपकी हेल्प करेगा. Right. Now here common. Now here it is showing many universities. See, it is showing Python is being applied in real revenue generating products by real companies. Right. As of now, you are able to see GST and all are getting collected from the people, and for that also there is a software. Right. So those software can be prepared by help of Python because it is easy to write, easy to understand. Understand? Now it is given Intel, Cisco, Seagate, Qualcomm and IBM use Python for hardware testing. राइट, कंप्यूटर के अंदर हार्डवेयर टेस्टिंग के लिए भी हम लोग पाइथन प्रोग्राम्स को यूज करते हैं। यूट्यूब वीडियो शेयरिंग सर्विसेज इज लार्जली रिटेन इन पाइथन। तो यूट्यूब हम लोग यूज करते हैं, मोस्टली वी पीपल आर यूजिंग, so that maximum of the script are written in Python. Right? Popular apps like Reddit, Pinterest and Instagram are created in Python. Right? बहुत सारे जो पॉपुलर सॉफ्टवेयर है वो सारे किस में क्रिएटेड है? पाइथन के अंदर क्रिएटेड है, लाइक इंस्टाग्राम एंड ऑल. राइट? Now, common functions. What are the common functions? So here it is given print, input, int, float. These are the common function. Understand? यहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं, देखिए, we have written one program over here. See, you are able to see here input. Understand? What is input over here? It is a function. What? It is a
function.
function, right? You are able to see print over here, it is also a function. You are able to see int over here, it is also function, right? These all are the functions which we will use in our programs. Understand? अब इसमें हम लोग आगे पढ़ेंगे कि कौन कौन से फंक्शन होते हैं एंड कौन कौन से वेरिएबल होते हैं. दैट वी विल स्टडी लेटर ऑन. राइट? नाउ सी इन योर बुक इट इज गिवन हियर program to display sum and difference of two numbers. तो हम लोगों ने देखिए यहाँ पे क्या किया है, दो नंबर्स का सम किया है. राइट? इफ यू वांट टू सी डिफरेंस देन यू कैन सी डिफरेंस आल्सो लाइक a minus b. Understand? So here you can print result of d also. If you want here, neither you can write it in next line. ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन में आप जो है डी को प्रिंट करा सकते हो. अंडरस्टैंड? सो यू कैन रन इट. इट इज आस्किंग फॉर द वैल्यू ऑफ ए. वी हैव गिवन द वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 100 and value of b we have given it 20. Right? So you are able to see two results. First for C, this one, and second for D, this one. Understand? So now you are able to understand like this, we can write the program and we can get the desired output. See in your book, it is written here print, and see here whatever we have written in double quote, that is getting printed as it is. देखिए double quote में लिखा है enter the value of a. It is getting printed enter the value of a. Right? यहाँ हम लिख सकते हैं, इसके अंदर अगर कोई स्टेटमेंट आप लिखना चाहते हैं, then here you can write the statement over here. Like suppose I want to write here sum of a and b is, right? Here I have written and here I will give it in double quote. Right? Double quote के अंदर हमने दे दिया and now you will see the result. Right? Sum of a and b. And here in next line we have written the statement यहाँ subtraction of a and b, right? And we have written here and you can see the result. Now we will run it. It is asking for the value of a. Suppose we have written 125 and here we have written 25, right? So you are able to see sum of a and b is 150, sum of, right? You are able to see now. So our result is coming as it is. Understand? So this is the way through which we can write the program. So here you are able to see whatever we have written in double quote, that are printed as a statement. ओके, जो भी चीज आप डबल कोट के अंदर लिखेंगे वो एज ए स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट हो जाएगा, एज इट इज प्रिंट हो जाएगा. राइट? सो इस तरीके से आप लोग प्रोग्राम बना सकते हैं. व्हाट एवर प्रोग्राम यू वांटेड टू मेक यू कैन क्रिएट इट. क्लियर? तो इस तरीके से हम लोग प्रोग्राम को बना सकते हैं, राइट। नाउ वी विल स्टडी next page. What is next page here? That is conditional statement or control statement. What is control statement? It is given here. A program is normally executed from top to bottom. जो प्रोग्राम होता है वो टॉप टू बॉटम एग्जीक्यूट होता है, but sometime it is needed to skip some statement or repeat some statement. राइट, कुछ स्टेटमेंट कभी कभी हमें स्किप करना पड़ता है एंड कुछ स्टेटमेंट को हमें रिपीट करना पड़ता है. फॉर दैट केस वी यूज control statement. Right, control statement are used to control the flow of execution of program based upon some conditional value and logic. This statement determine whether other statement will be executed or not. Right, here we will discuss two type of control statement, that is decision making system or decision making statement. What are the decision making statement? These statements are used for branching flow of control based upon some condition. Right, ये क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे इफ एल्स स्टेटमेंट को हम लोग यूज करते हैं फॉर डिसीजन statement. Right, now iteration statement means loops. These statements are used for executing statement repeatedly for a finite number of times based upon a condition. Right, so it depends upon different kind of condition which kind of loop we are going to use. अंडरस्टैंड, जिस तरह का लूप हम लोग यूज करेंगे उस तरह का हमारा प्रोग्राम होगा. राइट, so we will do this you can say conditional statement in next class. So everyone, most of you are having decoder with you. सबके पास डिकोडर है, तो आप लोग डिकोडर